Hello, it's your favorite teacher, B. Welcome back to my channel where learning is fun. Today we're gonna be making sound effects. Sound effects. Now let's sound like a sheep. Meh. Great. Now sound like a cow. Moo. Moo. Great job. Now we're gonna be making body movements. Body movements. Great job. Now let's sleep. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. Sleep. Let's see. Sleep. Good job. Great. Now we're gonna get some energy. Let's turn around. Stand up and let's turn around. Turn around. I am turning around. I am. Now let's walk. 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 I walk. 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 Great job. Thank you.